If you're bothered by blurry and pixelated textures while playing Fortnite on your PC, here's how to fix it without needing to splurge on a new graphics card. Solution 1. Adjust display resolution and scaling. Open Settings and go to System, Display. Choose the correct display, especially if you're using multiple monitors. Ensure you're using the recommended scaling and display resolution. Switch to recommended settings for improved visuals with fewer blurry textures. Solution 2. Adjust in-game graphics settings. Launch Fortnite and click on your profile icon, then the settings icon. In the Video tab, turn off VSync and set the frame rate limit to a specific value, e.g., 360, 240, or 200. Change rendering mode to either DX11 or DX12 based on your hardware. Increase 3D resolution to 100% and set texture quality to epic or high. Set effects to high and click on Apply to apply the changes. Solution 3. Update your graphics card driver. Open Settings and click on Windows Update to check for updates. Let Windows update any outdated drivers, including your graphics driver. Alternatively, go to Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, and update your graphics card driver. Visit your graphics card manufacturer's website to download the latest driver if no updates are found. After installing the latest driver, reboot your computer to see an overall improvement in graphics quality in Fortnite. By following these steps, you can enjoy Fortnite with improved visuals and fewer blurry and pixelated textures. If you found this guide helpful, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.